Hello guys, welcome to my new video. 2024 Ford Ranger Raptor Expert Review. Alex leans. After years of waiting, American off-road truck enthusiasts get a gift from the Blue Oval. The Ford Ranger Raptor will finally be sold in the United States starting for the 2024 model year. Like the well-known F-150 Raptor and Bronco Raptor, the Ranger Raptor starts with a capable platform and buffs it up with a slew of trail-ready hardware, software, and design features. Although this sixth-generation truck is a global market product, it was developed with North American consumers in mind, unlike the last Ranger. Competitor trucks seeking to outflex the Ranger Raptor in the dirt include the Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro, Chevrolet Colorado ZR2, and Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. Collapse all chevron. Ranger Raptor engine, with race car tech chevron powering the 2024 Ranger Raptor, is a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 producing 405 horsepower and 430 pounds-to-feet of torque. In certain drive modes, the engine's race-derived anti-lag system activates, which keeps the turbos spinning for up to 3 seconds after the driver lifts off the gas. That keeps the turbochargers ready to boost when the loud pedal gets slammed back down. With that power output, a 10-speed automatic transmission, and 4WD, the new Ranger Raptor should be pretty quick. Expect its 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration to take less than 6.0 seconds. Magnesium paddle shifters allow for accurate control of gear changes. Off-road upgrades. Chevron fun beyond the pavement takes more than just a powerful engine and intelligent drivetrain. The Ranger Raptor has been additionally girded for rough going with frame and suspension mount reinforcements like the ones in the Ford Bronco Raptor, which uses a similar frame. Boasting 33-inch BF Goodrich KO3 all-terrain tires wrapped around 17-inch, optionally beadlock-capable, wheels, the Ranger Raptor is equipped to roll over big obstacles. Beefy aluminium front control arms, a rear live axle with Watts linkage, and electronically controlled Fox live valve shock absorbers further help the pickup eat up challenging terrain. Steel plates guard vulnerable areas underneath the truck. The armor protects the radiator, steering, engine sump, and differential. Ranger Raptor drive modes. Chevron. There's no shortage of hardware enhancements in the Ranger Raptor, but it also gains software designed for off-road performance. In addition to the normal and tow, haul drive modes, Ford adds Sport, Slippery, Off-Road, Rock Crawl, and Baja, each intended for different terrain and driving styles. The modes alter how the powertrain, ABS, and traction control work, for example reducing the accelerator's responses for low-speed rock crawling and allowing more wheel spin in high-speed blasting. There's an off-road cruise control function as well. Safety features. Chevron. Depending on options and packages selected, the Ranger Raptor will feature driver assist and active safety features including front and rear automatic emergency braking, automatic high beams, rear cross-traffic alert, intersection collision mitigation, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. The blind spot monitoring system can extend to a trailer when the Ranger Raptor is towing. How much can the Ranger Raptor tow and haul? Chevron. While the standard Ranger will be available with an extended cab and long bed, the Raptor model is built only in crew cab, short bed configuration. Some truckish capability is lost to its off-road enhancements. The Ranger Raptor's maximum tow rating is 5,510 pounds. down from the regular Ranger's 7,500 pound rating. Likewise, payload tops out at 1,411 pounds, less than the 1,805 pounds other Ranger models can carry in their bed. Technology Chevron features that are optional on lesser Ranger models come standard on the Raptor. It gets a 12.4-inch digital gauge cluster and 12.0-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Software can be added and improved via over-the-air updates. A wireless charging pad, USB-A ports, and USB-C ports keep devices powered up. 6 upfitter switches are built in to allow for simple integration of upgrades like a winch. A 360-degree camera system is included and leverages its front-facing camera to provide a better view of the trail ahead. Audio plays through a Bang & Olufsen premium speaker setup. How much will the 2024 Ranger Raptor cost? When does it go on sale? Chevron The Ranger Raptor stands at the top of the lineup and bears a significant premium over lesser Ranger models, so it starts at slightly less than $57,000. Ford says it will begin taking orders for the Ranger Raptor in May 2023 and sales will begin in the fourth quarter of 2023. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.